Today we will show you how to assemble ZZ kit for Hiwin blocks. It's very easy and it's simple to use. So basically you need align keys and star screwdriver. These two are sufficient to do it. So each side once the kit has to be assembled. These are the 3 screws which is on the seal. On the seal, these are metal seal. It comes with 2 spacer and it comes with 2 scraper which prevents the metal to go into the block and spoil this particular seal, and it comes with 4 long screws and 1 grease nipple point screw. Okay, total 5 screws and 1 grease nipple with a long thread. Standard one comes with a shorter thread which will not be useful once we put this ZZ kit. And washer can be used or if required. If in case of this thread is not becoming tight or leak, at that time you can use this washer. Okay, we will start showing you how to assemble. First we take a star screwdriver, unscrew the existing screws both sides. Now without disturbing the block or any part of this, please unscrew it and these screws are no use, so you can keep it side and use the align key to open the larger screw. First you have to put the spacer. Difference between spacer and scraper is the spacer is straight and a scraper has a shape of exactly as a seal. So please take the spacer, see the edge which is a sharper in the nature and which is a smoother side. The smoother side you have to put it on the top, and again take the scraper and again check similarly and put on the top of the spacer. So now you are ready to assemble this ZZ kit. So put 2 screws on either side and start slowly tightening. Almost you tighten, but do not tighten at present fully. So check everywhere is correctly. And now if you want to use a grease nipple, use the longer grease nipple and you can use it here. If you don't want a grease nipple at this side, so you can use this longer screw and assemble here. So at present I will show you both. So if it is a screw, then you will tighten with the Allen key, and so now it is ready to its assembly is complete with ZZ kit. And now you can cross check the tightness. Quarter turn you do it, it will be tight enough to hold the screws in place. So this is ready with ZZ kit. In case you want to replace with a grease nipple, then please open this particular screw and if required only you use this washer, otherwise not required. You can straight away do the tightening of this. So instead of this grease nipple, you also can use different type of nipples here, pipe connection nipple and other things. So all other things will remain same. So this will work as a normal block. Thank you.